Namaskar, I'm Dr. Pinky Poddar, consultant psychiatrist from Apeksha Hospital. We want to know how do we say that tobacco use disorder? Tobacco jinto ma use kori aso hetu it's a problematic use or hetu amar problem hoise. So what are the signs and symptoms of tobacco use disorder? Here I'm talking about. Number one is craving, constant desire to use the substance. Hoday mon goi thakibo hetu nesha koribo lage hetu. Second is withdrawal. You'll have withdrawal. Withdrawal is after using tobacco for many days. If you don't use it, you have certain symptoms like irritability, decreased concentration, decreased sleep, mood swings. All these kind of symptoms is there. Then there is tolerance. Tolerance means if you started with one cigarette in a day or one packet of gutka in a day, gradually to get the same pleasure, you need to take 5, 6, 7 gutkas packets or 5, 6, 7 cigarettes. So over time your number of substances increases to get the same number of pleasure. Then there is use despite harm. There are many harms related to this tobacco use. You have oral issues. If you take smokeless tobacco, then you can have oral cancers. If you are taking tobacco in smoking form, you can have lung cancers. Despite having repeated coughs and colds, you keep on taking the substance. So this is again a sign of addiction. So if you have these all symptoms, then you should not hesitate in taking treatment, because treatment are available for tobacco. People often feel that there is no treatment. If they are taking tobacco, they feel it's a normal thing, but it's not that. And people are not even aware that treatment for tobacco is available. They feel if they take tobacco replacements also, treatment for tobacco, they'll be dependent on that, but it's not that. There are many newer medications which are available with which tobacco cessation, the smoking and non-smoking tobacco is possible. Nearly 30% of Indian population is using tobacco in one form or the other, but they fail to seek treatment. So I'm inviting you all on 31st May when we are creating an awareness program on tobacco, its harmful effect on the body, and the various treatment options available for tobacco cessation. Because 31st May, as we all know, is World No Tobacco Day, but we want to make the every day a no tobacco day. Thank you.